how to set a screenshot shortcut in your iPhone. Okay, you'll have to do is go to settings on your iPhone. Here in settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, in physical, in motor section, okay, go to touch. Here in touch, you can scroll down and below you can see the back tap. And the back tap is off. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this to turn on. But before that, you can set the back tap. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to double tap the back to turn on the screenshot or make a screenshot. And okay, you'll have to just tap the double tap and find the screenshot. Okay, you can tap the screenshot, and after you select the screenshot, you can see the check mark on the right side. And go back, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully create or set the screenshot shortcut. So okay guys, if you tap the back double tap, okay, we can take a screenshot. Okay, so 1, 2. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully screenshot on your iPhone. Okay, you have successfully set the screenshot shortcut on your iPhone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.